Donald Trump marking Victory in Europe Day during his first presidency at Washington, D.C.'s Second World War Memorial, a tribute to those who paid the ultimate price in a transatlantic alliance that was considered sacred, perhaps until now. But Trump's second presidency and the tariffs he's unleashed on Europe, whose member states include some of Washington's most steadfast allies, are raising urgent questions about the future of that relationship that was forged in a global war and has since been built on global trade. And delegates at the International Monetary Fund and World Bank's annual spring meetings are trying to address those questions. Namely, can these two sides forge a free trade deal in the current climate?
More trade is better, and therefore we are very encouraged that the European Union is continuing to move forward on trade agreements.
And yet the IMF's revisions to growth forecasts due almost exclusively to the projected impact of US and retaliatory tariffs have left European leaders at a crossroads, some calling for closer ties with China. And closer EU ties appear to be an aim for the UK's finance minister, at these meetings primarily to try to forge a bilateral free trade deal with the US that was supposed to be the payoff for leaving the EU.
What we hear from the US administration is that they are keen to do a deal with the UK, reflecting the closeness of that relationship.
And yet Rachel Reeves later suggested EU trade ties are more important. As the European Union ponders the direction of its future trade alliances, it also has to contend with another huge financial challenge, spending more on the collective defense of Ukraine as the Trump administration steps back while managing increasing national debt levels. Owen, Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.